the Toyota that's country tough and city smart through stop and go, you'd be asking for Toyota 4Runner. With four-wheel drive and room for five, 4Runner commutes, carries, and conquers all roads. 4Runner, #1 in customer satisfaction for 2 years running. So who's looking out for #1?
Toyota.
Toyota, who could ask for anything more?
Introducing the all-new 1990 four-door 4Runner from Toyota. Because looking tough just ain't enough. With its available 183 horsepower engine, the all-new 4Runner is so light, it can take you far from civilization. Which is ironic when you consider that with its immense, well-appointed interior, civilization is never all that far away. The all-new 4Runner from Toyota.
My cousin told me about a Class 5 this way.
We're gonna take a Class 5 Rapids.
Bring it on!
All right,
Let's do it! If we take a Class 3 and a Class 2, that's like taking a Class 5, right?
I'm pretty sure you're right.
Yeah!
It'll get you there. The rest is up to you. The largest, most powerful 4Runner yet.
Rock! Yeah, we're gonna take the rock! Right, the rock.
The Rock.
Yeah, the rock.
What do you say we go warm up on that rock over there?
Yeah, the rock!
It'll get you there. The rest is up to you. The largest, most powerful 4Runner yet.
Hey, I got bit by a snake.
C'est pas poison.
Poison?
C'est pas poison.
Okay, oh wow. Okay, yeah, I feel that.
C'est pas poison.
That's definitely poison.
Apparently, I'm immune to venom.
Immune to venom.
Steve.